My name is Vasima and my story is called The Triceratops' Hurt Leg. Once upon a time there was a Triceratops and he was going to another planet to meet his brother, and the people were going to see him go in the rocket, and then after that he tripped over a log and he had no idea that there was a log there, and then he hurt his leg. And the ambulance came, and he helped him to bed, and then the doctor said that he has to stay in the bed for a week. He has to rest for a week so that his legs get better. And then a week later, the Triceratops went in his rocket and flew to the other planet to meet his brother. The end.